High-quality CSP solar vacuum tube with full automatic production and testing equipment. Excellent straightness, good ovality, no stones or knobs, smooth tube openings without bubbles, and precise vacuuming time. We're proud to introduce our solar vacuum tube automatic cleaning, sealing, and vacuumizing device along with the 8 continuous coating line. Key advantages: uniform coating ensures consistent, aesthetically pleasing color for every tube. Rapid delivery, 50-60 containers shipped weekly, fulfill orders swiftly. Superior performance. High absorption rate for maximum solar energy capture. Low emission rate for excellent energy efficiency. Efficient vacuum process. Circular vacuum device with a 1-hour vacuuming cycle. Reliable quality. High efficiency operation ensures stable, consistent product quality. Perfect for solar energy projects demanding quality, speed, and performance. Contact us today to enhance your solar solutions.